Hello everyone, this is Peter. Today I'm here at the factory of Taizhou Feiyi Pump Industrial. We are located in Wenling, Daxi Town, Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province. We produce 4 types of water pumps: land pump, submersible pump, deep well pump, and solar pump. Next, I will take you to visit our assembly line, warehouse, sample room, and testing room.
Hello everyone, welcome to our finished production warehouse. We store a lot of customers' goods here, and we will classify and store your goods to ensure the integrity. We divided our warehouse into spare parts warehouse and finished goods warehouse. This is our spare parts warehouse. We always produce a lot of spare parts for stock, so it can ensure the delivery time within your scheduled time.
Welcome to our 5th floor, the painting room. You can see that our conveyor belts will transport the semi-finished products from the 1st floor and then carry out the painting process. This is our workers are working now. They will go through a drying tunnel of about 40 meters, and then the painted products will be transported to the assembly line, where workers will start assembling them. Okay, follow me. This is our 40 meters drying tunnel. You can see many products here. Okay, these are our assembly line. You can see the finished CPM production and the under-producing CPM pump. Welcome to our land pump sample room. Now let me show you our sample. These are the DK and the QB type, and these are QD series submersible pump, HFM and CPM series. Then these are all Pentex design surface pump. Remaining are all JET water pumps. Different submersible pump, QDX, WQD, and SPS series. Look, this is our pump testing room. We use precision instruments to test your products many times before leaving the factory, checking their maximum flow and maximum height to ensure that every product delivered to you is of high performance and good quality.